Hello and welcome back again to this tutorial. In this session, I'm going to guide you through how we can upload files and share them amongst our community, specifically for groups and also for the committee members in a private and secure manner, or to be able to distribute them to the whole of the community as a useful tool. So, I'm going to go into groups again. And I'm going to go into the Education Committee to demonstrate how to upload this file. When I'm in here, there is a button called Files. When you click on Files, you can see there is an option there. It says Education Committee member files. At this moment, there are no files, and what I'm going to demonstrate is show you how to upload these, and then we're going to come back to this page and then you will see the file will be populated there. Now, just a very quick note, the ASL Secretariat can do this for you. Should you want to do this yourself, this tutorial for those people. And the person who's designated within the group or the committee will have an extra permission where they can go into this section over here. So they would log in, they would arrive here, click in Content and Settings. On the left-hand side, there is a section called File Library. If you click on the File Library, you will see that I've done some configuration for this system for all of the groups and committees, and I'm going to navigate to the Education Committee. And you can see there's a pencil there which will enable me to edit the folder structure. So I've called it Education Committee Members Files Collection, can be used in group and side-wide custom pages. So this is just for the education group. If I did this, we can put that in any custom page within this website. So we're going to leave it so it's here, it's private. And I'm going to give it a description, which is Education Members Files, Minutes Agendas in General Files. Click Save. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the spanner. Click on Add New Item. We're going to upload a file and give the file a name. I'm going to call it a test file for now. I'm going to make sure that it is protected, which means that only people who are signed on can access this for security reasons. File upload. I'm going to click on File, choose File, and I am going to just randomly choose a file. Open, give this a name. Let's assume this is minutes from 1st March. Agree with the terms of the upload agreement. If you don't check this, you won't be able to upload. Click Save. It shows the new item has been added. Now let's check whether this has worked. I'm going to go back into the back end. It's not showing here at this moment. So I'm just going to refresh the page. And you can see that it's populated here as the file. If I was to click on that, it opens up in another browser. So that's how you upload files, and see you in the next session. Bye for now.